All right, I am extremely proud to, well, I'm mildly proud to announce this project, which has taken me quite literally 20 minutes to put together for you. This is insane. You can literally publish a project on NPM so quickly, and I just filled a niche. The life hack is I'm gonna mine Bitcoin through your computer if you install this, and I become a billionaire. No, just kidding. I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can create your own NPM package, a little bit about what this does and why you might want to use it. Before we get into this, I recommend watching this video a little bit sped up because I tend to talk pretty slowly. 1.5 or 2 times speed recommended. So, it is actually insanely easy to create a package, and the reason I did this is because I was trying to validate data. So, if we look at my data set here, I'm reaching out to roofing contractors, and what they're doing is the scraping service that I use, Outscraper, is they're validating some Google or some email information for me. And so as we can see, they're giving me things like the name, but the name isn't always reliable. So as we can see, this one is a question mark for their name, which is not good. And then for some of these, you'll get like a business name, like what is this? That's not, a name. So some of these are not consistent, and then we also have another name column over here, which is not consistent. And so if you're trying to validate data, especially for cold outreach, you want to make sure that a name is a name and not a name, obviously. Because if you reach out and you say, hey, accordion, that's not their name, right? So that's bad. Basically, what we're doing is we're just validating these names without using AI, because AI is going to cost a shit ton of money when you're running 10, 20, 30,000 rows of data through it. And so this is the package that does it. Basically what we have is a CSV file. All I did was I downloaded a list of baby names. This is all of the baby names basically from 1880 to 2008 in the US. And what I did is I sorted all of this by the frequency of the names, and then I come up with this names CSV file right here, which gives us every single name that's basically ever been used in the entire US in the last 150 years. And it's sorted by popularity. So we're basically doing a linear search starting from the top with most popular and working our way down. And so as you can see, this is a very long list, about 6,700 unique names in here. And we have some kind of unique names, I guess, like Zygmunt, Hjalmar, there's names from other countries. Obviously, America's a melting pot, so we get a good assortment of names here. And so, what we do is basically, whenever you install this package, you would just do npm install real names, and then all it's going to do is all you're going to do is pull in that list of names, and this is the function that you get, isName, and then you just run, basically, this is like an example usage. You would just do test name equals John, and then isName, and it would return like true, right? And so, yeah, it just looks through that whole CSV file for each name that you plug in. And this is obviously way cheaper than using AI. There is already a package. The reason I used real name and not isName, which I really wanted, is because there's already a package called isName, but it's weird because it says it checks to see if a name is a name, but all it's doing is running a regex on the string and checking if it's characters. And so, or if it's like multiple characters, right? So it's weird because if you were to feed in, I don't know, they have like an example where if you fed in like apple or something, it wouldn't return true because it's one word. But that's not really what I'm looking for, because if it was apple banana, that would be a name in this case, but that's not really what we want, right? So yeah, anyways, this package literally searches straight for names, and all you do to create one of these npm packages is you set up a package.json. It's literally like part of the CLI natively. So what do? We ran, yeah, this is me trying to test it out. So you run npm init, and then you go through this thing, and you just kind of set up your project, and then you log in, you do npm login, you create an account, and then you do npm publish, and it uses this information here along with your readme to get everything set up. And that's literally all there is to it. And Now, of course, like I said earlier, I could become a mega billionaire from this NPM package. Obviously, I'm joking. There's no Bitcoin mining going on here. But, yeah, dude, this shit's pretty sick, right? So, anyways, yeah, hope this inspires you to create your own NPM package, because we need more. We need more. Like, dude, is 13. Bro, look at this. This is a real package on NPM. Check if a number is equal to 13. We move fast and broke things. Oh my god, dude. This is so funny. It gets 27 downloads a week, bro. That's so crazy. Yeah, I just love this about the JavaScript ecosystem, where everyone's like, JavaScript is so shit that we literally need an is13 package. But anyways, go out and make some bullshit. Thanks for watching.